Welcome to another video. I have fixed something else. I have fixed a 3D building into 2D from top-down view. Um, it's meant for the central buildings, but I guess you can use it for something else as well. So let me right now show you how it's done because it's a little bit different than the previous one. First of all, let's open the building 2D.py, and then you just have to copy this code, and I will explain later what it does and what it does different. So then you open Blender. After you have copied that, you go to scripting just like in the wearable one. I already have it copied, but you paste it over here, or you just, if you have a download, you can import it. I think from OpenText, yes. Um, anyway, what's different about this is it's going to give you an indicator because the building needs to be at a certain place and at a certain height. So when I run this script, first of all, what it does, it creates these two indicators. One is called the ground indicator and the other one is called the skill indicator. You will have to place your building in the center of this. It cannot exceed the top and cannot exceed the width. So anyway, I already have done that. I have my house, which is Dutch for home, over here. I think it's slightly over, so I can adjust that. I did it on purpose, by the way. So I can show you how to do it just a little bit, and then I move it down. I want to make sure it's perfectly on the ground, like that. Let's go. And those indicators won't be visible on the camera when you run the script. So as you can see, I started this script, but it didn't work. It didn't render anything because at first it's going to check if the skills are there for you to perfectly place your building in it. If I run it for the second time, when the skills are there, it is going to give me a folder called buildings where the building will be. Anyway, so let's run the script. And right now it will create buildings, and then it will be a one. If one doesn't exist, it will create one. If it already exists, it will create two, and so on and so on. I did the same thing for the wearable ones, so that you don't have to so that it doesn't overwrite the current files. So you will have a more structured folder. So anyway, let's take a look. As you can see, it's top down. This is how it looks. This is the angle. I think you can adjust this, and I'm going to tell you how to do it because I have it on 45 degrees, but some people don't like that per se in top down. Other people like it slightly different. So you go to the camera F, as you can see, and you see it's 45 degrees. If you want to change that to 90, it's obviously you have to adjust it a little bit more because the location won't be right and everything. So let's do 50. So it will be slightly different. It will just do the exact same thing, but this time in 2. So you can see that if you do 50, it will create a much more angled view of it. And I don't think it will be perfectly centered, but you can play with it. Well, that's everything for the building. I think I fixed it. It's I think I need to work on some more stuff, but I don't know. If you have suggestions, please let me know, and I will work on it and then give you an update. Thank you guys for watching.